Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and studying at home and enjoying your virtual classes, online classes. So, again, this is your English class, and we have been learning English alphabet. And we have already completed capital alphabets from A to Z. Now we have started with the small alphabets. And I hope small alphabets are a little bit difficult, but if you practice it daily at home, you will be very easily will be able to learn it and practice it in your rough copy how to write within the 4 lines. Okay, children? So we will quickly revise all the alphabets. I now hope you all are recognizing your small alphabets, yes, along with the capital alphabet. So this is your alphabet book. Okay, and in this book you can see this is capital A and this is small a. Capital A, small a. Then after that comes capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital C, small c. Then capital D, small d. This is capital D and this is small d. And till here I have already taught you. Now the next alphabet is, this is capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. And after that comes capital F, small f. Capital F, small f. Okay, and then after F comes G now. So this is capital G and this is small g. Capital G, small g. And after capital G comes H. Capital H, small h. Capital H, small h. And then capital I, small I. Capital I, small I. But today I will be only teaching you, we are going to write, learn how to write small e and f. This is small e and this is small f. Okay. So small e and small f. Today ma'am will teach you how to write within the lines. Okay, children. So I hope now you must be recognizing how to write small a, b, c, d and e. Okay. So this is capital A and this is your small a. How you write small a? You make a semicircle and on the same line without lifting up your pencil you will go up and then come down like this. Okay, and you are not going to make a tail like this. This is wrong. Okay, always remember this. Don't make a tail. Okay, and then after A comes B. This is capital B and how to write small b I have taught you and it is very easy to write. You just like B, you have to write small b also. But in that case, in small b, what you will do? Standing line, and in capital B, you make a semicircle from the top. But here in small b, you will make it from the center. Okay, from the center, you will make a semicircle like you. The other way around, semicircle like this. Okay. At the top you are not going to make a semicircle. Now this is small b. Always remember this is how you write small b. Okay. Once again I'll tell you. If you write b like this is capital B. Okay. And if you remove this upper part, this semicircle, upper semicircle, if you remove, it will become what? Now it has become small b. Can you see? This is small b. Okay, this is how you write small b. Remember it always. Okay, and after that comes, this is C, capital C. Okay, capital C is little bigger and small c, how you write? It is little small. It is, you write it within 2 lines only. Okay, so this is capital C, this is small c. Okay, then I had taught you after this C. This was capital D. Yes. Okay. So after capital D, this is capital D. And how you write small d? this is your standing line. Okay, okay. But before before D comes C, na. So this is C. So this C, you can make it over here, semicircle. If you draw it like this, it will become small d. Always remember this. How you write, you children, most of you get confused in small b and small d. Don't get confused, okay? Just remember, b, how you write, you first make capital B and then you remove this this upper part, you just remove it. It will become small b. And D, how you write? Before D comes C. Remember that, okay? So you first make you can make like this also, okay? First make a semicircle like this. Yes, okay? This is a semicircle, or C you can say. And then if you draw in a C, if you draw a standing line like this, what will it become? It will become D. This is D and this is B. Don't get confused in B and D. Small b and small d. Right, children? So always remember how you write small d. You will first make the C or a semicircle like this and then a standing line. It has become small d. Don't make a tail like this. This is wrong. Okay? Right, children? Okay. Now, till here we have already learned. Yes? So now I'll show you how to write small e and f. I will only teach you today 2 small alphabets. Okay? So from A to C we have already learned. So how you write E? So capital E is like this. Yes. Okay? This is capital E. How you write small e? Just see. Watch how ma'am is writing. Okay? You first make a sleeping line like this. And then without lifting up your pencil, you have to make a semicircle line like this. Now it has become what? It has become small e. Okay? Once again watch it. Okay? Semicircle. Then a semicircle like this. Join it. Without lifting, see ma'am has not lifted up the pencil. I did not lift up my pencil. And from here, same line, I have drawn a semicircle. Again see, first sleeping line and then without lifting up your pencil, draw a semicircle. It has become small e. Okay? So, this is small. This is how you write small e. Okay? Then after e comes F. This is capital F. Which F is this? This is capital F. Now, how you write small f? Just watch here. From the very first line, you will make a little curve. You'll make, and then you will make a standing line like this. Come down, stop. Okay, and then you make a sleeping line. Draw a sleeping line like this. It has become small f. What is this? Small f. Okay. Have you seen grandfather's stick? Yes. And at home you must be having your grandfather. And your grandfather must be walking, using those sticks. So what is this? You can call it a grandfather's stick. Grandfather's stick is like this now. Okay. So make a grandfather's stick like this. Okay. And then you make a cut like this, small cut like this. It will become what? F. Small f. Again, watch. Grandfather's stick and then a sleeping line. This is F. Small f. Okay, children? So, now quickly, you have your copy, E2 copy as I told. In this E2 copy, English 2 copy, we are going to do this work. Okay, so very quickly take out your English 2 copy. In the same time, ma'am will draw a line over here. Draw the lines. You be ready with the copy. So now children, you can see I am ready with the lines and I hope you all are ready with your copies. Okay. So now we are going to write a small e and small f within the lines. I will tell you how you're going to write in these 4 lines. We have 4 lines in the copy, English copy. 2 red lines. Okay, first line is red line, then 2 blue lines, and then fourth is also a red line. So most of the alphabets in small alphabets we write within this second and the third line. Okay, these 2 lines, most of the alphabets we write, but some of the alphabets we start from the first line also. Okay, so in that case you have to be very careful when you write small alphabet. So small e we start from the second line. Okay, we don't write it from the first line. Okay, so remember small e, how you write from the second line. What you will do, from the middle of this second line you will draw a small semicircle, sleeping line, small sleeping line, and then you make a semicircle, and your alphabet should not come out. See, within these 2 blue lines ma'am has written. Okay, very carefully you will write. You will hold your pencil properly. Okay, and then see how ma'am is writing. Okay, just within these 2 blue lines, this is second line and the third line, you will draw a sleeping line like this, and then a semicircle like this, and stop. This semicircle should not come out of the line. Okay, right children? Again watch. Sleeping line and a semicircle, right? Okay, once again. Sleeping line and a semicircle. Okay? Then again, sleeping line and a semicircle. See, this is how you're going to write. This is small e. What is this? This is small e. Okay? You have to write within these 2 blue lines, for second line and the third line. But now, after e comes a small f. Now, small f, how are you going to write? Small f, you will start from the first line. Okay? You just remember that small f is very simple. Okay? As I told, some of you must be having your grandfathers must be using the stick. Okay, so you know how it look like. Okay, so from the first line you just have to make, from the first line you will start and draw a grandfather's stick like this. Okay, you must have seen grandfather's stick is like this now. So you have to just make a stick like this, and then on the second line, blue line, you have to draw a sleeping line. This has become small f. Okay, again watch it. Okay, see, from the first line, draw grandfather's stick, and your stick should not come out of the line, third line, only till third line. First, second and third line you will draw it, and then on the second line you will draw a sleeping line like this. Okay, so very carefully you are going to, very slowly and very neatly you are going to do it. Okay, again watch it. Okay, again, little bit of curve, then a standing line. Okay, make a standing line, and here a sleeping line. Now it has become small f. What is this? Small f. Again, small f. Once again. Okay, last time. Grandfathers, make a grandfather's stick, and then on the second line draw a sleeping line. Okay, so now it has become small f. So this is how you write. This is small e and this is small f. Small e, small f. Okay children, so do it as ma'am has shown in your copy, English 2 copy. Okay, and very neatly do your work, because now I will be checking your copies also. Okay, so do it very neatly, and then only I'll give you stars. If you do it your work neatly, you will be getting stars also. Okay, so try to do it yourself. Okay, so God bless you children.